The following text is taken from an article in the national newspaper from the 7th of July 2025, written by Hamish Morrison and entitled, Alba Leader Calls for Public Inquiry into Alex Salmond Conspiracy.
Kenny McCaskill has accused Nicola Sturgeon of presiding over a conspiracy to do down Alex Salmond. The Alba party leader has claimed there was a plot to bring down the late Alba party leader and has called for a public inquiry. McCaskill, who served under Salmond as Justice Secretary, told Go Radio, "I think there has to be an inquiry because what happened to Alex Salmond was fundamentally wrong. I think what we are seeing is obfuscation, to put it mildly, by the Scottish government. There can be no cover-up in Holyrood or in St Andrew's House. We require to know who did what was done. If that impacts upon Alex, so be it, but I don't believe it does. I believe it will vindicate him because a manifest injustice was done towards him." Asked whether Sturgeon was a part of a conspiracy against Salmond, McCaskill added, "I believe so. There was a political conspiracy to do down Alex Salmond. I have no doubt that was a factor in his early death. He wasn't even 70, but what he had to endure. But he was vindicated in the civil courts, with the Scottish government chastised in the highest court in our land, and in the criminal court a jury of his peers exculpated him. Salmond was handed a legal victory in a civil case against the Scottish government over claims of sexual harassment, which a court found to be tainted with apparent bias, because the person investigating the complaints had had contact with the complainers prior to the probe. He was later cleared of 14 charges, sexual and indecent assault and intent to rape, in March 2020. At the time of his death, Salmond was pursuing the Scottish government for damages of £3 million due to the botched investigation of sexual harassment complaints against him.